Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 10th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you 15 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. India won how many medals at the ASBC Asian U22 and Youth Boxing Championships?
Answer is 43 medals. In boxing, the Indian contingent wrapped up their electrifying journey at the ASBC Asian Under-22 and Youth Boxing Championships with a remarkable haul of 43 medals in Astana, Kazakhstan. This includes 12 gold, 14 silver, and 17 bronze medals from both categories. India finished with the second highest medal count, only behind the hosts, Kazakhstan, who have won 48 medals.
Question number 2. Which is the world's wealthiest city as per the Wealthiest Cities Report 2024?
Answer is New York. According to Wealthiest Cities Report 2024 report, New York City in the United States continues to be the world's wealthiest city with 349,500 millionaires having a combined total wealth of more than $3 trillion. Two Indian cities, Mumbai and Delhi, have been included for the first time in the top 50 world's wealthiest cities of the world. Mumbai was ranked as the 24th wealthiest city in the world. Delhi was ranked 37th.
Question number 3. Which state government has launched the Pirul Lao Paise Pao campaign?
Answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami launched the Pirul Lao Paise Pao in the Rudraprayag district on 8 May 2024. He urged the people to actively participate in the campaign to prevent forest fires. Under the Pirul Lao Paise Pao campaign, the local youth and villagers will collect dry pirul, pine tree leaves, in the forest and take them to the designated Pirul collection center. The pirul will be weighed and stored at the collection center, and the villagers or youth will be paid 50 rupee per kg.
Question number 4. As per World Migration Report 2024, which country received highest remittances in 2022?
Answer is India. On 7th May 2024, United Nations, UN, Agency, International Organization for Migration, IOM, released the report titled World Migration Report 2024. The report revealed that India received over $111 billion in remittances in 2022. Thus, India becomes the first country to surpass the $100 billion mark. Top countries which received highest remittances in 2022, India, first, Mexico, second, China, third, the Philippines, fourth, Pakistan, sixth, Bangladesh, eighth.
Question number 5. Tripura's first international cricket stadium is being constructed in.
Answer is Narsingarh. The Tripura Cricket Association, TCA, is poised to unveil the state's inaugural international cricket stadium in Narsingarh, West Tripura. The stadium, slated for inauguration by February 2025, aims to host major cricket events. It is being constructed with a budget of 200 crore rupees. BCCI and Tripura Cricket Association have joined hands to construct this stadium. Its construction was started in 2017. This stadium will have a capacity of 25,000.
Question number 6. Which country is the largest producer of solar power in 2023?
Answer is China. The 5th Global Electricity Review report published by the United Kingdom-based global think tank Ember. The largest increase in solar generation in 2023 was in China, an increase of 156 terawatt-hours. After China, the largest solar generation was in the United States, plus 33 terawatt-hours. Due to rapid growth in installed solar power capacity, India became the third largest solar power generator in 2023.
Question number 7. Who has launched the Meditech Stackathon 2024 in New Delhi?
Answer is Arunish Chawla. On 7th May 2024, Dr. Arunish Chawla, Secretary of the Department of Pharmaceuticals, DUPI, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, MOSI and F, launched the Meditech Stackathon 2024 in New Delhi, in collaboration with the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. India's medtech industry is projected to grow at 28% annually, reach $50 billion by 2030.
Question number 8. Which bank has been recognized as a Best Employer 2023 by Kincentric?
Answer is DBS Bank. DBS Bank India has been recognized as a Best Employer 2023 by Kincentric for the fourth consecutive year. The Kincentric Best Employers study is one of the most respected annual studies with a robust evaluation methodology designed to understand alignment across business objectives, people process, and employee experience.
Question number 9. Who has secured the prestigious title of Best Trading Platform in India?
Answer is Quant Power. Quant Power, the most innovative AI-enabled trading platform, has secured the prestigious title of Best Trading Platform in India for the second consecutive year. This milestone reaffirms Quant Power's position as the preferred software for Indian investors, offering an unparalleled suite of features that consolidate various trading tools into one comprehensive solution.
Question number 10. Which Indian village is the cleanest village of Asia?
Answer is Molenong. Molenong village, located in the state of Meghalaya, India, holds the esteemed title of Asia's cleanest village. With innovative waste management practices, strict adherence to plastic-free living, and breathtaking natural beauty, Molenong sets a shining example for sustainable living and environmental conservation in Asia.
Question number 11. What is the name of the campaign launched by the Ministry of Tourism at Arabian Travel Mart 2024?
Answer is Cool Summers of India. From 6th to 9th May 2024, the Ministry of Tourism was participated in the Arabian Travel Mart 2024, held in Dubai to strengthen India's presence in the Middle East tourism market. The Ministry of Tourism has launched the Cool Summers of India campaign to promote the country as a destination for tourism during this Arabian Travel Mart 2024 event.
Question number 12. Which country has recently officially adopted the Indian yoga system?
Answer is Pakistan. Pakistan has recently officially adopted the Indian way of yoga. The Metropolitan Corporation of Islamabad has launched free yoga classes in F9 Park in the capital.
Question number 13. Who became first Indian bowler to claim 350 wickets in T20 history?
Answer is Yuzvendra Chahal. Yuzvendra Chahal, representing Rajasthan Royals, becoming the first Indian bowler to claim 350 wickets in T20 cricket history. Chahal is the fifth spin bowler and sixth Asian bowler to reach this milestone, showcasing his significance in the realm of T20 cricket. The next best Indian on the list is veteran Mumbai Indians bowler Piyush Chawla, with 310 wickets.
Question number 14. Who has unveiled Sesame, India's first BFSI-focused large language model?
Answer is Setu. Setu, a leading Indian fintech company and part of the Pine Labs group, has unveiled Sesame, India's first large language model, LLM, specifically designed for the banking, financial services, and insurance, BFSI, sector. Developed in collaboration with indigenous AI research firm Sarvam AI, this groundbreaking initiative marks a significant milestone in the adoption of advanced AI technologies in the financial services industry.
Question number 15. Who has launched the Bambi Bucket operation to extinguish the forest fire?
Answer is Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force recently utilized its Mi-17V5 helicopter equipped with a Bambi bucket to combat forest fires near Nainital, Uttarakhand. Bambi bucket is a specialized aerial firefighting tool which has been in use since the 1980s. It is essentially a lightweight collapsible container that releases water from underneath a helicopter to targeted areas. The water is released by using a pilot-controlled valve. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.